Dry, style go. Salon-style blowouts, one-of-a-kind waves and curls, and the perfect hair accessory to reinvent your style. Lightweight. Easy cleaning and maintenance, and compact and lightweight design. Versatility. Quickly dry and style your hair with 2 heat/speed settings to suit your personal needs. Voltage. For 120 volts outlets only. 1875 watts. Wattage of this appliance may vary depending on the location of use. Dare to be new kinda bold with Revlon Hair Tools. Whether you're after salon-style blowouts, one-of-a-kind waves and curls, the perfect hair accessory, or you want to reinvent your style, Revlon has the tools to take your hair where it's never been before. The Revlon Essentials Compact Hair Dryer allows you to pack this styling tool pretty much anywhere. Carry on luggage, your favorite gym duffel, or a trusty overnight bag. Despite its size, this lightweight hair dryer doesn't compromise on performance. Built with 1875 watts, a powerful and steady airflow. 2 heat and speed settings provide drying and styling flexibility and control, so you can achieve any look you want. Protective anti-slip bumpers provide extra care when styling, giving you better grip and more styling control. This dryer is complete with a hanging ring for easy and convenient storage. Dare to go there with Revlon Hair Tools. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent for the price. This is a low-price hairdryer and it has basic simple controls and no fancy features or accessories, but it does exactly what you want it to. It blows fast hot air or slower warm air. It seems solidly made and not likely to fail in the short term. It's cheap. It works. That's all I need.